If you want to turn on community activity on your Yahoo Mail profile, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can enable this setting in just a few moments. This is a helpful option if you want your profile to show community activity and make your Yahoo account more personalized. If this video helps, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Yahoo Mail homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open your account menu with a few important options. From there, click Manage Your Account. This takes you to your Yahoo account settings page where you can control different profile and privacy options. After that, look for Personal Settings. Depending on your account layout, you may need to scroll a little to find it, but it should be inside your account settings. Once you're in Personal Settings, search for the option that says Show Community Activity on Profile. This is the setting you need to change. When you find it, simply toggle it to On. As soon as you switch it on, Yahoo will save the setting and your profile will now be set to show community activity. That's really all there is to it. It's a simple change, but it can be easy to miss if you don't know exactly where to look. So just to recap, open Yahoo Mail, click your profile in the top right, select Manage Your Account, go to Personal Settings, find Show Community Activity on Profile and turn the toggle on. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides on Yahoo Mail and other tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.